Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a V-stitch. It's a really super fun stitch. All you need to know is how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, check down in the description below for how to do double crochets. So to get started, we want to do multiples of 3 plus 1. So I will be chaining 15 plus 1 for a total of 16. All right, now that we have our 16 chains, to get started, we want to chain 2, and in the third chain from the hook, we're going to do our first double crochet, followed by a chain 1, and then a double crochet inside that same stitch. Skip 2, and in the third one, do a double crochet, a chain 1, and a double crochet in the same spot. So skip 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And this will actually be our repeat for the whole entire pattern. So it's skip 2, a double crochet, a chain, and a double crochet. And here we are at the last bit, so skip 2, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And this lovely lady that you see magically appearing is Zazel. She is my 3-legged kitten, and she will be keeping us company for the rest of the video. So as you can see, after you finish row 1, you have these little ribs. Little peaks to where the chain 1 is at, and these are important to remember because this is how we see where we need to go for the next row. So to get started, we chain 2, and in that little peak, because that's where your chain 1 is from your last row, we do a double crochet, a chain 1, and a double crochet. And then we skip 2 stitches, and we are going to do our next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next peak. Now because this is all done with double crochets, it can be difficult to see where you're trying to go. So that's why it's really important to keep your eye out for the peaks of your work for the chain 1 from the previous row. And that's how you'll know where you're supposed to go for your double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And you'll just repeat this over and over until you end up reaching your desired size and shape of your project. So here we are at the last little peak. We'll do 1 double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. And you can see how that row created little peaks as well. And that's how you know where to go for your next little work. And as you build your project, it'll end up getting super textured and very pretty. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.